On this call out, I am troubleshooting a glass top. It's a built-in. As you can see, I have to remove this oven because it was hard to get this glass top out of here since it's cracked, as you can see here and there. So when I was putting my flat here and pulling it up, it was hard and the crack just wanted to expand. I can also see another crack on this corner. What I will do, I will just push this from the bottom. That way it will be easy to take it out. I just did that. So this is the bottom part of the glass top. It's a Defy. Model is DHD406. The problem with this is not only the crack, they told me that it's also not switching on. So when I plugged it, it also didn't switch on. So I'm gonna inspect the input here. I am also gonna open it and check what's the problem on the inside. So I will open all these screws that surround here, flip this thing up and check the PC board and also the hubs. I just did that. This is where my inputs for this hub goes. Blue is the neutral one and yellow is live. On this one also, the inputs go there. Blue is neutral and yellow is live again, as it was on this one. This is my other hub that you see on the right. Blue is neutral and red is live. What I am also checking here, I'm also inspecting these hubs for an open circuit. Yes, so all of them, they don't have any open circuit on the inside, so that means all these hubs are still working fine and they are still wired right. Definitely this glass will need a replacement, but why is the stove not switching on? So I had to come to this board and assess it. You can see that the cockroach is in the house, so they sometimes cause faults on PC boards. But I had to check carefully the inputs for this board. So I did so where live goes and where does neutral goes and where each hub receives electricity from this board. On this board, the three relays on the left, they are for the two hubs on the left, and the three relays on the right, they are for the two hubs on the right. So I had to measure this live. There is neutral, which is blue, and live, which is brown. So I had to check for 230 between neutral and live, and there was 230 on our live, which is on the left side. I also had to check also the other live on the right side, measure 230 between the live on the right side and neutral. So there was 230. So electricity is coming through, but still the board is not switching on. So that tells me that the board is faulty and it requires a replacement. It's not worth repairing this glass top. My reason for that is a new one in the market is 3,000 and more, depending on the brand and the model. On this one, we must replace the PC board, which cost us 1,000 and more. If that was the only replacement required, we were gonna repair this stove and it was gonna be worth repairing. But now we need to also replace the glass, which is gonna cost us 2,000 and more. Adding my labor makes this repair expensive. Bye, and don't forget to subscribe.